Hey, I'm Mary Collins. I'm going to be teaching the nonfiction writing workshop on ground at Yale in June. And let's see what I'm going to bring. Chalk, got blackboards in the classroom, pens, paper, maybe an iPad, but really 30 years of experience teaching writing workshops in many places, including the last 5 years at Yale and 13 years at Johns Hopkins part-time MA in writing program in DC. I hope to offer you a level of care and attention you've never experienced before as a writer looking to make headway on a project or maybe to try something new. We'll look at the fundamentals of good storytelling and the unique challenges of writing stories about yourself and the people that you know. I promise to bring the energy. I had a great sense of humor and lots of heart. I'm going to pare it down to words on the page, author intent, and that chalk on the chalkboard. It's going to be high energy, fast-paced, and I hope fun and even funny, because I love looking for humor and everything. I hope you make it to New Haven. Yale's always an amazing experience.